As me said that, you have to know if you handle certain situation because life not go always easy. As me say, me general.
True.
You're my killer. You have to know if you do your thing. Tell me what you say. What you say? How much work you get from your left high school?
That's right. Well, you know, some of work one place one at a time.
What you call one place?
And then we work on next place one at a time.
Yeah, one next place.
And then after that, I start work on one place round so.
The KFC part of Burger King.
Right round there so. You know around there?
You have to rate me that because I'm here show you things to you now.
True man. I show me levels man. So yeah, so I get some I blame them friend.
What you know? You know, I said that weed ain't really your style.
I know my style. What kind of weed that?
You see? Mataran type of weed, this number general. Yeah.
Mataran, so.
This slap you before you even look. Back to your thing now.
Yeah, my thing.
So how life since that?
Since what?
Since you left. We there talk how long you understand what go on?
Why man tell you say that weed that different my friend, different.
So I like the non-smokers. I bring non-smokers.
Alright, back to the topic. Where you say? Talk to me straight, my general.
Say hello to Pam, Mr. brother.
Say, yo, are you picking that dog?
But that never allowed, Virgin. Yo, no, you're vice for me, Virgin. I want to hear that.
Mayo, that never allowed, Mayo. Stop being some, Mayo.
What you know about battles?
Look at
me dig off your face.
No, do it to such man, him good. Me say, do it.
That look like him man good, Rasta.
Look like him man mad, my friend.
Let you know.
Yo, watch out now. Go hold him.
No, sir.
Yo, bad man. Yo, you're good, dog. You're good. Yo, you're good. Yo, let me go, you know. Let me go. Guys, that boy, I feel like. Yo, I'm here, Yo, Chris, you know that?
No, why am I gonna do that, man?
So him put all that on.
Man, a drum dog.
Yo.
Come like a slash lame chang dog. That's the horn here, dog. Bumbo